Now, Adani Empire's shares have in fact surged on Friday after an Indian-led US boutique investment firm, GQG, purchased about $1.87 billion worth of stake in the group. Now, this marks the first significant investment in the Indian business empire since Hindenburg's report sparked a stock rout. The US boutique investment firm's stake purchases have boosted the billionaire Gautam Adani-led firm's shares, which had plunged by over $135 billion in market valuation. The US-based and Australia-listed GQG has purchased shares in nearly about 4 Adani companies, including the group's flagship firm Adani Enterprises, through block deals. Now, founded in 1987 and headquartered in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, GQG manages about $88 billion in terms of equity funds. Now, according to a regulatory filing, GQG invested about 3.4% in Adani Enterprises for around $662 million, about 4.1% in Adani Ports for about $640 million, 2.5% in Adani Transmission for about $230 million, and about 3.5% stake in Adani Green Energy for about $340 million. GQG's chairman and chief investment officer Rajiv Jain said that we believe that the long-term growth prospects for these companies are pretty substantial. Now, according to the CIO, before investing, GQG did a deep dive as part of due diligence. Now, the investment firm had conversations with the group's vendors, bankers and partners. And according to the CIO, he also said that the infrastructure companies are subject to tight regulation and therefore the risk of fraud is very limited. Now, Jain further added that he actually disagrees with Hindenburg's report, referring to the scathing report by the US researcher firm on the 24th of January that accused the Adani Group of business and tax fraud. Now, since Hindenburg's allegations, the market value of 7 listed Adani companies have plunged by nearly about $135 billion, while Adani Group has denied that these claims it had subsequently to cancel a $2.5 billion share sale. The group, on the other hand, has been trying pretty hard to try and reassure its investors through roadshows and phone calls. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.